How will the PSU course help leadership teams innovate? PSU stands for Scrum with UX. It's a scrum.org offering where we combine Lean UX and Scrum. Scrum is very good at helping you to deliver really good work at high quality and deliver the maximum value. But if we're true to ourselves, we probably admit that 60 to 90% of product backlog items we should never build. And PSU helps you to discover which items we shouldn't build and maybe discover much better ideas that we should build. And so PSU helps you to avoid filling your funnel of work with lots of ideas that maybe shouldn't go in there. And maybe instead run some cheap experiments, interviewing customers, finding out what customers really want instead of what we think they want, instead of even maybe what customers even tell us what they want, actually trying to give them what they really want, what they need. And do that in a cost-effective way. And when you validate hypotheses in terms of what customers really want, then you can build those with high quality using Scrum. One of the criticisms of the Lean Startup was that people were doing cheap experiments, but a lot of those cheap experiments ended up in production. So we had a lot of poor quality product ending up in production, which isn't a very scalable or sustainable way of operating. So what I like about Lean UX is you can use the Apex canvas. What problem are we trying to solve? How do we know that we're winning? Which users, customers are we targeting? What outcomes and benefits are those users and customers looking for? What are the potential solutions that might work for those users and customers to get those outcomes, to get those benefits, to solve the business problem that will move those organizational needles? And then we can click them together, all those assumptions in terms of the business problem statement, the business outcome, the user customers and their outcomes and benefits and the potential solutions, click them into hypotheses like Lego bricks, and then figure out which of those hypotheses is the most risky, the ones that maybe could be most damaging to us if they're wrong. So we probably need to run experiments on those first. And then like a heat-seeking missile, Lean UX helps us to find where we should be experimenting first. And when I talk about experiments, I'm not talking about 3-month experiments. I'm talking about like what can we learn in 30 minutes a day, a week, a month. So long story short, PSU helps you to deliver much more value by not filling your funnel with stuff that shouldn't be in there and helping you to actually put work in there that maybe will deliver more value. It's like limiting work in progress for free. We often talk about controlling work in progress. You get that for free with PSU because you discover lots of ideas. You shouldn't proceed with them. What a way to save money. What a way to find out where the real value is. And what a way to improve the way we can harvest value. I believe this can be used for teams, but also for leaders. And it's a great way for you to learn how to deliver a better strategy. In fact, you can also use PSU for delivering your objectives and key results and helping you to monitor how you're continuing to achieve those key results towards those objectives.